Today I will be discuss subquery in SQL. And before starting subquery, we have to know about that what is subquery. And simply you can see that a subquery is a SQL query within a query. They are nested query that provide data to the enclosing query. Subqueries can return individual value or list of records. And now let's start practical example of subquery. Here you can see that two tables. I have two tables. Product table, you can see that here inside the product table had 8 records. A similar orders table like that. In orders table had 10 records. And I use here select star from orders where product ID in this table product ID, and this is subquery. You can see that here this is the main query, and after where condition written here subquery in product ID in select ID from product ID. You can see that here and execute subquery, and after that showing here result 10 records showing here order ID in product ID. This is subquery. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel, like this video.